Hey there, it's David Cinelli here, Realtor with Royal LePage Signature. Today's home tip is to check out all your windows and doors for leaks or cracks, which is allowing all of air to come in and out of the house. So this home tip is basically for you to help save on your energy costs. You want to do an assessment, so walk around the home, especially now before it's getting into the really cold months. If there are any significant drafts, it can really increase the amount on your energy bills. So if you feel that there's any drafts in the windows, you may want to either caulk them, you might want to try some different insulation, and in the worst case scenario, you might just want to replace them. So the biggest culprits obviously are windows and as well as outside doors. Yeah, again, granted, if you have ongoing maintenance, these will be less of a problem and maybe just a little bit of caulking will do. But if your windows are really old, anything over anything over like 25-30 years, you also got to be mindful of the gas that's inside of your windows. It's argon gas. What it does, it's an insulator for your home. So if you're noticing that if your windows, doesn't matter how much you clean it, it's always got that fogginess on in the inside, that means the argon is gone for that, and it's not really protecting your home. What the argon gas does is that in the summertime, when the sun is beating in, it helps cool down the air coming in so it doesn't overheat your home, and vice versa in the wintertime. It makes sure that the heat is from the inside of the house is not going out. So if you either feel any drafts or if you see that your windows are getting that fogginess, have a window specialist come to your home and take a look at it. That might save you, even though the impact in the beginning might be a lot of money to replace your windows, but you also got to figure out the resale value. It is adding value to your home, and you will recoup that if you choose to sell. Have a great day. Bye for now.